Hi, welcome to mathematics question. The question is, when two dice are rolled, list the outcomes of the event that the total is odd. Find the probability of getting an odd total. List the outcomes for the event that the total is less than 5 and find the probability of getting a total less than 5. Pause the video, try this question, then we will look at the solution. Hope you have got the right answers. You have tried well. Let's look at the solution. When two dice are rolled, list the outcomes for the event that the total is odd. First of all, we need to understand when two dice are rolled, what are the total possible outcomes that can come. From the first, we can get either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, and from the second also we know I can get 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total outcomes become 6 times 6, that is 36. What are the total outcomes? That are 36. Here I can show you. From the first you get 1 and from the second you get 1. Either 1 or 2 in the second. Either 1 in the first and 3 in the second. 1 in the first, 4 in the second. 1 in the first, 5 in the second. 1 in the first and 6 in the second. Similarly, you can get 2 in the first and 1 in the second, 3 in the first, 1 in the second, and if you see here 4 in the first, 4 in the second, or 6 in the first and 6 in the second. This way we get total outcomes that are possible is 36. Now the question asks us, find the probability of getting an odd total. So we identified, list the outcomes for the event that the total is odd. So we identified the total. For the total we identified there are 36. How many of them are odd? The total sum is odd. Here 1 plus 1 is 2, that is even, we will not take this. 1 plus 2 is 3, this is the odd. So we will mention here odd O. This we will take. Here also if you see, this will be odd. 1 plus 5 is even, we will not take it. 1 plus 6 is 7, odd, we will take it. Then 2 plus 3 is odd, okay. 2 plus 3 is 5, odd, this is odd. If you go this way, there will be 3 in the first, 3 in the second, 3 in the third, 3 in the fourth, 3 in the 5 and 3 in the 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. There are total 18 possibilities where the total is odd. And for even also it is equal. For even also there are 18 possibilities. Now second question is, find the probability of getting an odd total. What is the probability of getting an odd total? Total outcomes of odd are 18 and total possible outcomes are 36. So the probability says favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. So favorable here are 18 and total is 36, so answer becomes 1 by 2. So here the probability of getting an odd total is 1 by 2. Question number 3, list the outcomes for the event that the total is less than 5. From here we will say less than 5 is whose sum is less than 5. That means this one will be covered. 1 plus 1, this is 2, so okay, we will take this. Less than 5, okay, and 1 plus 2 is 3, less than 5, that is fine. 1 plus 3 is 4, less than 5, that is fine. 1 plus 4, 5, no, we will not take it, and greater than this also we will not take it, cross it. Here 2 plus 1, 3, yes, this is 5, less than 5. 2 plus 2, 4, less than 5, yes, correct. And 2 plus 3, 5, no, we will not take it, and greater than this also we won't take it, just cross them. Now 3 plus 1 is 4, we will take it, and 3 plus 2, 5, we will not take it, and just cut them out. And here also 4 comma 1, 5, no, leave all others. So how many we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total possible outcomes where the total is less than 5 is 6. Okay, we have to identify them. We have to write here 1 comma 1, that is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, no, 1 comma 4 you cannot take. So now 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, then you will take 3 comma 1. These are the total possible 6. Find the probability of getting a total less than 5. So the probability will be possible outcomes, favorable outcomes, that are 6 in total, and total is 36. So it becomes 1 by 6. This is the answer. Hope you understand all the questions. You just need to understand, if 2 dice are thrown, what happens, what are the total possible outcomes, and from that table of total possible outcomes which is here, you have to identify what the question is asking for. Just if you have any doubt, write in the comment. We will look at that and create another video if for only the doubts one. And please like, comment, share and subscribe for more such questions. Thank you.